Hey guys, Brian with Limelight Detailing here in Nampa, Idaho, and today I wanted to talk to you about WeatherTech floor mats. We get a lot of questions about them and whether or not they're worth the investment. What's so great about them is that they're laser cut to like the exact dimensions of your vehicle, and so they cover all those real hard to reach places. The amount of space that they take up is awesome. They fill up every little nook and cranny, and what's great is they really protect your carpet and your floor. So whenever we're detailing, we love to see WeatherTech floor mats. They definitely preserve the length or the life of your carpet. And then as far as dressing them and keeping them clean, what you want to do, like the easiest way for us to clean them is to pressure wash them. And so this particular one, we pressure washed, we've scrubbed a little bit. They can get pretty discolored as dirt and shoes are constantly on them. But all I do is take a little applicator pad, and I'm going to just spray a silicone-based dressing on them. And there's all kinds of different brands out there, but if you use a silicone-based dressing or a water-based dressing, it's going to bring back the color of the mats really well. But then more importantly is it's not oil-based, so it's not gonna make these things slippery. The last thing that you want, obviously, when you're driving your car around your feet pedals are really slippery floor mats and pedals. WeatherTech floor mats, definitely worth the investment. That's how you dress them, make them look nice and pretty again for your car. If you need the inside of your car done, if you've got floor mats that need cleaned up, give us a call today, 208-391-3455, or check us out at limelightdetail.com.